Welcome back to the channel, my viewers and my subscribers. My name is Everslick and I'm here with one more mix-up, yeah? Friend of mine running into little difficulty, so right about now I'm gonna share the story. As you can see the topic of this story, alright? So stick around and don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Without no further delay, right tonight.
Man, no matter about bun to brother. I want the me know, you know. Me not take bun. Me not even name bun when Easter come up. But just we go take bun. I guess one know. Some bun thing there, brother. Wicked. Hmm. Some man can manage the bun thing, brother. People dead when bun are run. You know, me and this bun thing, you know, brother. Some man I get bun, brother. What I want to find out now still? I get bun. The David one woman, you know. And the woman plans and go give you a problem. How the you go? You can't tap that the woman in. Man give bun, you know, can plan same how give you bun. So better you, if most thing what you do, walk out of that. If you don't want to walk out of it, you're not turning night. Me not turning night. I'm not alone. All the bad thing me see happen, you know. Remember all one man, you know, I go down a Duncan store, you know, brother. I got work, you know. And I say, when I look, you know, man. Me see a man drop down. And I see some people are rub him up with all kind of alcohol and all kind of sitting, brother. But me say, when me ask a man, what happened to him, man? You see when me say, what happened to him, man? If people them say, man, the amount of pressure the man wife have be, man. I give him bun and want to take my house and then sitting there. The man have to drop down, brother. So friend ain't telling me I so born wicked pan people, brother. Yeah, man. I said, if I so born wicked, so me put myself in a one position now where I don't take no bun from no, you know, cause guess what now, no? So that me not one up no woman. But a woman love me, and me find a woman love me, me take care of him and me will love him, but me not gonna love no woman when no love me. You see? So you get when you see if you have one woman where love you, you not go give you no bun. But if you have one woman where you love, you go get bun of your brother. And another thing again to one time I da Westmoreland and I chop cane in a brother. And I say one brother in a man. When a woman down there, I say when the woman a give man a bun in a man. Yeah, man a grunt and night time to like a hug, you know. And I say, Bridget, now what do you? I say, boy, another man go with me, man. Yeah, me man shut you. Man, where you come down here to do no cane, you come down here to chop, you come for look, man. Man, no bun, brother. Me no in a bun thing, brother. No Easter, me no want no bun. You know? Me will give you no history and out still, you know. Brother. One little woman, you know. Me and the woman are going on. And every me woman still, but a man may have human. Human left that a man there another no left. A man forcing himself. And say, boy, He might take that woman and take away from the man. But the man where him and the woman went there for, so when my brethren. So, my plan say, you want me know. Me and the boy there want why woman there with, you know. You woman know, it's like the woman kind of love me a little weird. And me I tell her, say, no, man. To no brother. Me say, no. I get me little piece of meat, you know, and me a go on, you know. Because me a man no show up with people, you know. People are one up woman, me not one up no man. Because no for me pitney, so me not want him. And we are going, you know, me say one day me down me yard, you know, man, one Sunday, you know, man, cook me dinner and near me, you know, and beard, you know. Lay down so me I get a rest, you know. Me hear boom, 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 me do bloop. Go kick off, you know, brother. So me do a kick off. Police! A man send police on me yard, say me a thief to and come out here me there that's a place. And nobody no know me as thief, but him know me as thief. The boy when me all holding on me hand. And see all dirty rasta give boy bun. Boy send police to me. Yeah man. So that's why me know say you see when a man a get bun brother, he will do anything. Anything that man never do brother. So a man have to know your brother. Guess what? You get bun, give bun. I just a way there you go, brother. You can't move different from that, you know? Just bun, man. Some man get bun, man. Hey, me see some man go through some sitting. Brother, me I wonder, you know. Me plan say me nah go through, you know. Better rasta, you know. So you want no, you see when me want limit. Me use my money and buy it. Nobody nah give me no bun, brother. Me know in a bun thing, cause bun wicked. Cause bun make man send police on me yard. They can't kill me. I treat police and sensible, because if the police and sensible then kill me. So, the bun thing, brother, I know I'm pretty sick. I'm pretty. But I'm now, well, you know, when me I check it out still, David one woman and woman I give bun left him. Yeah, man, I don't feel pitney. You don't have to hold him. You know? You don't have to hold him. Where you go hold him, I do with him? Eh? Hold him, brother. Let him go. And hold the thing, man. Missy man. Missy man walk up and down pan road up. By the time I look for you, man. That woman in a man house. Bun, man, Easter nothing fi come. And when Easter come, tap your bun. You know? Man I get bun, boy, bun hot. Hot. You know? Me never get bun yet, you know. A peer man me bun to blood clot, I never get bun yet. Nobody no bun me. Cause me never have a woman when me bun fi by. Tell one man woman me always look so. Cause true me afraid of bun, you know. And me no want no bun up. So, guess what? Me nah make nobody bun me. That's what me know. But me a taste the rice, you know. Come in the night, brother, hungry. Rice a taste nice still, you know. Yeah, man. I just draw it, if you draw it, you know. 2 minutes or so. The water suck out tight. Yeah, man. For real. Get some food for you. Cook my one of food in the brother. Cause we get pan people who look for food for you know. Problem. So all I'm on the way out there. I plan to take bun brother. Go and go take it. Cause me nah none. Any bun a go on and me a give it. How glad to see all dirty rasta. Yeah, man. See a bun rasta. Give people. You not take no bun for nobody, brother. And not pretty. See man drop down. Cold sweater wash. Thing I don't a Matabele River. I run off find me amount of water, me say I run off find man. But no that kill him. Wife, you know. Yes. My wife take away place too, you know, brother. Place gone. Wife take away house. Left him out that door. Yeah, man. No one ain't sitting happen to me, so you know what? Me done for you, no, brother. Yes? No, man, me can't manage. No, me can't manage, brother. The only time me think me would have take bun. And say me go foreign and find all a white woman. And when me up there, you know. Think can me go up there, you know, and when can me go up there? You want to keep man, me no have a problem with that. Because you don't think me I do, you know, brother. If he go out there and I sell a little piece of meat, you know, and when he come in with the money, you don't think me I try to do, you know. If me can't thief 150 from him and hide the half of all the place, you know, me no have a problem with that. Me take bun of foreign, but no Jamaica. I tell you the truth. No Jamaica. Nah, well, no bun of Jamaica, brother. Foreign straight. If me da foreign and I get bun, me will whole bun. Because when him a give me bun, me will thief. He come in with the money and me can snatch off all the $50 or all the $20 and put it on the place. We can deal with that, but differently, no Jamaica. Not no